So you want to go on your Play Store and type this in, and you should download Subway Surfers 2, but don't get on it. You get on this before you get on it. You open. You press the guide. Oops. And it might be some ads, so just click that. I'm out the way. You go to limit coins and keys, and it's going to be arrows at the bottom. Just keep on pressing them till you get to the end. It's going to say apply. And then it's the X right there. And you click the arrow. Click the ad. And it's going to say apply. Oops. See, ad got in my way. Come on. Click apply. Then you click it again. And it's going to say coins and keys update. Enjoy. And it's going to say that 27 hoverboards. You go to me. And there you go. Thanks. Don't forget to comment what you think about it. Subscribe.